who study English and not good at speaking may wonder that why an excellent English speaker can speak very well and fluent. Before getting to this topic, I would like to pay my respect to the teacher and hello all my beloved classmates. I'm standing here to solve this problem, these questions, and tell you guys how to be an excellent English speaker. To be an excellent English speaker, you need confidence, practice, and patience. First, practice speaking with your friends, classmates, or teachers. Second, listen to English conversation, song, and movie. Can also help us learn correct pronunciations and natural expressions. The third, learning new vocabularies and use it in daily conversations can help you improve well and more natural. The last but not least, you should practice speaking English clearly and confidently in front of others. So, with hard work and regular practice, you will become an excellent English speaker in the future. Thank you, teacher and everyone, for your kind attention and listen to me.